Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of work in the gardens, and I wanted to talk about some of the tools that I find very helpful and that make life and working in the garden so much easier. One of the first ones is my kneeling pad. I don't actually remember where I got this from, and it's starting to break. So if anybody has some insight on where I might be able to get another one, please comment below. It gives me handles to kneel down on, or to help myself get down and get back up, as well as it can be used as a stool or a bench. We're going to be digging up a couple of new babies that started shooting up for our elderberry. I don't want it going this direction, and I will put those in pots and we can either trade or sell them to other people. So let's get those dug up. Oh, my other tool that I'm going to be using is it's a radius little hand trowel, but it's really comfortable, and that's important for me. I think this one will probably go ahead and put it in a pot. It's got some root there, and I think it should root in. But anyway, the radius is super comfortable. It gives me a lot of leverage prying, and I don't get tired using it, so that's great because I'm old and I get tired quick. If you haven't watched my other video about the Mexican sunflower, I did one where I chopped this down, and it's only been a month and a half at the most. So this is how fast it grows. It's ready to be chopped again. I'm using a bare bones machete for this. These things are amazing. They again are ergonomic, very sturdy, very well built. Check out my link in the description of the video. Great tools, very sturdy, very good. Made short work of that. Oh wow, look at that. We have wildlife in our food forest. The next thing I want to talk about is the pruner. This one again is ergonomic. I really like this handle design, because if I let go, it doesn't just fall to the ground, and it's really easy to use, and I can also lock it and unlock it with one hand, which is nice. This one is another one that I'm not sure where to get another one like this, so if you guys know of somewhere, please comment in the videos and let me know where I can find this. So I gotta prune this. Peach tree's looking pretty rough, so I just want to get some of this dead growth or dead branches out of here. But that's my other tool, one of the other tools that I find very useful. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. We have so many other tools. I just wanted to briefly highlight a few of them that we use, and hopefully get some hints from you guys on where I could get some replacements, because they're starting to get pretty worn out. But thanks again for watching. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.